Hello everyone, in this video I'm looking at how to multiply decimal numbers by decimal numbers. So you have 22.59 multiplied by 40.19. First of all, you have to multiply it as a whole numbers. So you have 9 times 9 is 81. 81 in base 10 is 8, remainder 1. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 8 is 53. 53 in base 10 is 5, remainder 3. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 in base 10 is 2, remainder 3. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 in base 10 is 2, remainder 0. 1 times 9 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 0 is 2 is 0. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 in base 10 is 3, remainder 6. 4 times 2 is 40 plus 3 is 4 times 5 times 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 in base 3 base 10 is 2, remainder 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 in base 10 is 1, remainder 0. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 10 is 0, remainder 9. You add. So you have 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 in base 10 is 1, remainder 2. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 6 is 8. Two plus 2 is 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. So for you to get your final answer, so you need to add the number that come after the decimal places in the two equations. So first one you have 2 plus second one you have 2, that is 4. So here you have 4. For you to input the decimal places, you have to move backward. You have to move backward 4 times. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So your final answer is 907.8921. Let's look at another example. So you have 88.49 times 31.45. Now multiply it as a whole number first. So here you have 5 times 9 is 45. 45 in base 10 is 4 remainder 5. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 in base 10 is 2 remainder 4. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 2 is 42. 42 in base 10 is 4 remainder 2. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 in base 10 is 4 remainder 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 in base 10 is 3 remainder 6. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 in base 10 is 1 remainder 9. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 in base 3 in base 10 is 3 remainder 3. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 in base 3 in base 10 is 3 remainder 5. 1 times 9 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 in base 10 is 2 remainder 7. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 in base 10 is 1 remainder 4. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 in base 10 is 2 remainder 5. So 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 in base 10 is 2 remainder 6. You then add. We have 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 in base 10 is 0. 1 remainder 0. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 in base 10 is 2 remainder 1. 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 8 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 in base 10 is 2 remainder 0. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 in base 10 is 2 remainder 3. I will have 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 in base 10 is 1 remainder 8. So here carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. and 2 plus 0 is 2. So, therefore, for you to get your decimal place, you have to add these two numbers. Add how many numbers that come after decimal places in the two questions. So here, first one you have 2, plus the second one you have 2. That is 4. So, now count backward. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore you have 2783.0105. Thank you for watching.